Hello and welcome back. So we want to add a brands thingy here, just like we have categories, and that isn't difficult at all. Let's go to the products PHP page that's in the view, admin views, and right here where it says add edit panel, there should be one that talks about the category, which is right here. So this whole section is about the category. So all I need to do is pretty much duplicate this like so. Let me move these stray boys over here. Instead of category, we're going to change that to brand, of course. And if is array categories, brands, so I'll leave that as it is for now. Brand ID. Let me just change the ID and the name here to brand. Okay, we'll deal with these guys later, these variables a bit later. So refresh and let's see that. So we have category, we have brand, but I feared this would happen down here. So let's fix this, shall we? All right, so what we need to do is extend this thing here, and that is easy. So let's go back here to the edit panel, add edit panel here, and let's increase the height by 50 pixels. I think it's 50 pixels per new item we add, and there we go. That looks much better. Okay, so we have categories, we have brands, but we are reading categories in this brands thing, so let's change that, shall we? So what we'll do is let's go to our admin section here, and where we are reading, this is in the products function, and where we are reading the categories here, let's do the same and read some brands. So we can create a new class for the brands as well. Maybe that will help. So what I will do is change categories here and just say brands like so. So I'll say selector from brands where disabled is equal to 0, order by ID descending. Yeah, that's that. So we could order by views here as well. So I can say order by views. That way we get the most used at the top. Okay, so views like so. Okay, so the only thing we need now is to, oh, actually we don't need a class for this. We are reading it directly here, and what we will do down here is add to it categories and select brands like so. Brands, yes. Okay, so now that we have that, if we go to our products.php and where were we? Right here with brands. So I'm just going to check this to brands, change that to brands, and here it's going to be brand. So brand, and category here obviously will change to brand as well. Pretty good. Yay, yay. Refresh, add, and now we have brands. Awesome. Okay, good. But we need to receive this data once we so let's go to once we save it. So admin, let's go back here. Now here we are using the Ajax format. So let's go back to the products thingy here. Let's see what our JavaScript has to offer. So down here to the JavaScript and show edit products. No, show, let's see here where it says show add new. So yeah, we don't need to add anything there. That's all good. But when collecting the data, we must collect the brands as well. So let's just replicate what we have for this here, for the category, and let's just change the word category itself to brand, like brand, like so. So brand input is equal to, yeah, I hope the selector is correct when we say ID. So let me find that. somewhere. The ID is brand. Okay, goody. So let's go back. So please add a valid brand and return. So brand input is one of the inputs now. So let's go down here and add it just next to category here. We're going to add brand like that. Brand input. Yes, that is good. So now we can go to our Ajax product, and on the create, where is this object? Yeah, there we go. So now on this one we have the category. We don't need a class here. No sorry. What do we need? Let's see. Create image file. So we just need to go to the product create, which is inside the product class. So product class here in the models. There we go. Then let's duplicate that. Change category to brand. And of course, we need to add that to the, please enter a valid description. Wow, so much to do, eh? So let me duplicate this as well to make sure that the brand is not empty. So I will change that to brand. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, everything looks awesome except for the query itself. We need to extend the category to accommodate a brand. So don't leave the comma there. Let's add brand column, and let's come back here and do the same thing on the other side. Don't forget the full colon and comma, and put brand over here. Brand like this. Yes, awesomeness. Let's go up here and see what's happening. Okay, so that looks good. So let's try and add something new, shall we? I'll refresh the page and say add, and this will be a product called I don't know, some product. Quantity, yes. Category, food probably, but let's try something else. Let's just add bags for the heck of it, and it's going to be Johnson's. The price, nobody cares. Let's browse an image, at least we need one. So I've run out of products here, it seems. Let me just put this one there and hit save. What does it say? Product successful. Some product, there we go. And look at the brand. So we are not showing brands here. We're going to do that in the next video, where we see how to add the brand as part of this here. I'll see you then.